Hello, my name is Tomás Espinosa Moreno, and this is my recipe, which consists of a sandwich. To make the recipe in plasticine, we are going to use brown, white, yellow, green plasticine, and plastic plate. Ok, finish we are going to make the cheese. Using the yellow plasticine, we are going to make it into a ball, and then we are going to flatten it. We are going to eat which almost all the object. Once this is done, we will open holes and hide its chips to finish. Now we will make two tomatoes. We will make a bowl, and we will crush it, having a large dough. We will cut our circles, in this case 5. Add the height, the detail of the scents the white color. We will repeat. We will make a bowl to crush its but with the color green to continue. With the next step, which is to hide it the shapes and some details. To make the color of the ham, you next to mix red with enjoyed white. Once this is done, we will flatten it and hide it as circle shapes. To make the L, we will have to take a little white mold, it and the center of it put a small yellow ball. We will finish with the bread, which will have a square shape and brown color. To finish, we will put everything together on the same plate to name each object. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.